Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going to General then Keyboard. This is where Autocorrect lives. Make sure iCloud or a computer backup is current so you can restore if needed. Once done, verify autocorrection and smart punctuation states and note text replacement entries. These affect suggestions. If you want to preserve custom words, export or screenshot replacements now. This step prepares you to change behavior deliberately rather than guessing later. You will reset the keyboard dictionary to clear learned mistakes. Go to Transfer or Reset in General and choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Next, remove or edit offending text replacements in keyboard settings so they stop overriding your typing. Then toggle autocorrection off, restart your iPhone to clear cache, and enable autocorrection again to rebuild fresh data. Make sure to test typing and notes between steps so you can observe changes and avoid repeating resets unnecessarily. You finish by testing across multiple apps, messages, notes, mail, to confirm corrections behave consistently. If problems persist, update iOS because system updates often fix keyboard bugs, reinstall any app that misbehaves. Make sure language and keyboard layouts match under keyboards. Mismatches cause odd autocorrects. If nothing fixes it, restore from the backup you made or contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip. A recent iCloud sync can reintroduce bad data, so temporarily disable sync when rebuilding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.